Say hello, Miush. Hi guys, welcome to a brand new vlog. Say hi. So guys, in today's video, I have some things to do. Just clean up the house a bit. Then I need to go get hubby a new phone because his old phone it crashed, like it fell down and it has started having, oh, she's saying bye bye, start having issues, so I need to get him a new one. Yeah, bye. So I'll just take you guys along with me getting the phone. Yes, and my other phone that has issue, I need to fix that one. So yeah, so just kind of a day in my life, but I don't tag it a day in my life, but it's kind of like a day in my life. Yeah, so come along with us. Yeah, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and thank you all so much for the love throughout our vlogs. We appreciate. Yeah, trying to scatter. So guys, after having my morning tea, it's time for me to make food for my daughter. I've already cleaned the house earlier on in the morning. So I'll just be doing a little cleaning, the ones that I did not do early in the morning. So I'll just be doing that in this video. So here I'm boiling water to do breakfast for us. Yeah, I hope you still enjoy the rest of the vlog. Thank you all so much for your support in the vlogs and the hair video. We really appreciate, and have a beautiful day. So I'm making golden milk for my daughter and milk for her. Golden milk when she has it in the morning before I give her her morning bath. What did you guys? So this is me finishing my cleaning the blinds, and also just finishing the little ones I did not do earlier on. So yeah. What are you doing? Yes. Hi, baby. Hi. Say hi.
So it's time for her to bath. I already put water inside her bath, but it's too much, so I need to cut it down so that she can enter inside and have a nice bath.
She's bathing. Bath. Say hello, Miyush. Mia, say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Mama, say hi, guys. It's your head. You want to rub cream by yourself? Because someone I want to rub cream by herself. Two seconds, she has removed her socks. Everything I put on her, she has removed it. Take 2 seconds. So everything that I made her look different, she has removed everything. Type it in your mouth, in your hand. Nene. So guys, this is my skincare. It's pretty simple. I've used my Dove cream with almond oil and oatmeal. Then I'll add it up with this baby oil, and that's it, guys. It's so easy. So I'm done, and I'll change, and it's time to chop. So this is my outfit for the day. I'm wearing this short skirt, and this top. The skirt is from Motive, yeah, and this shirt is just some random shirt, yeah. So I'll just eat, and we'll get going to go and pick the phone, yeah. Guys, I'm having my breakfast through lunch. Let's come eat. It's hot. So guys, now we are going to go and get the food. Maybe when we get the phone, we might unbox it, or Hobby might not allow us to unbox it, but we'll see how the rest of the vlog goes. Yeah, so I'm going with my daughter to go and get the phone. Here we are in the phone shop where we will get the phone,
and a lot of processes, and after that we'll be heading back home. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. See you guys at home.
Kai, we have hungry.
Obi has already removed everything. It's not that good. Fine. He removed everything. This is what I can find to show you how the inside looks like. But Oga can come out everything inside.
So guys, I am back. I am done for today. Just a hectic day. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new one. And also like and comment and share. So catch you all in our next vlog. Bye guys.